Hello, my name is Dr. Lucas Watterson from Mountain State Wellness in Morgantown, West Virginia. Today, I would like to actually tell you the truth about the myth that chiropractic care is dangerous. In order for you to truly understand how safe receiving chiropractic care is, I have to review a little history with you. Many people don't know that in the 1960s in this country, the American Medical Association set out a specific committee and agenda to contain and eliminate chiropractic from the entire country. Now, if that is true, and it is true, historically it has been shown to be true, then you have to ask yourself the question, why would a professional organization like the American Medical Association try to contain and eliminate chiropractic care from the face of the country? And the answer to that question is because chiropractic care is so effective at helping people restore and recover from injuries and illnesses and other types of chronic conditions. So, what would be the best strategy to try to get people to stop utilizing chiropractic care on a regular basis and restoring their health back naturally? Tell them that it's dangerous. And so for the past 60 years in our country, the message of chiropractic is dangerous has continued to perpetuate through our culture. And some people still associated with that other profession still tell their patients that receiving chiropractic care is dangerous. Now, let's just look at some things statistically for just a moment. You have a 1 in 6 chance of dying from heart disease. You have a 1 in 7 chance of dying from cancer. You have a 1 in 93 chance of dying in a car accident, and you have a 1 in 187,000 chance of being struck by lightning. And yet, you have a 1 in 5.8 million chance of being severely injured or killed from chiropractic care. You have a better chance of winning a gold medal in the Olympics, becoming a movie star, or dying from a shark attack than you do from ever being injured or dying from receiving chiropractic care. Now, let me distinguish for you what we do here at Mountain State Wellness. Our care is referred to as Upper Cervical Care, and amongst the chiropractic profession, it is the gentlest type or application of a spinal correction to the very top of the neck where the atlas vertebra shifts out of alignment and therefore causing injury to the brainstem, which connects the brain to the body so the body can operate correctly. We use some very specific x-rays to measure and determine how to correct your alignment. We use an extremely gentle touch afterwards to shift the bone back into alignment, and then we verify after the first correction with the second set of x-rays that we've completely aligned your spine, or at least gotten it as best as possible based upon your particular circumstances. So, our care is not only gentle, but chiropractic care as a whole, as I stated at the beginning of the video, is incredibly safe. And the lie of chiropractic care being dangerous continues to perpetuate through our society. And unfortunately, it keeps people who could benefit from receiving good chiropractic care from receiving the healing, the restoration, the recovery, and the full wellness that they're entitled to receive. My name is Dr. Lucas Watterson. I hope this video has helped you to clarify why people continue to perpetuate the lie that chiropractic is dangerous.